Hi student, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in 18th lecture of Electricon 354. Course title is Agribusiness Management. In previous lecture, we studied about financial analysis in agribusiness, in which we studied in detail about net worth statement and profit and loss statement. Okay, in today's lecture we are going to learn about project, meaning and types of different agricultural project. Okay, so first of all we study the meaning of project. Okay, so this project, it is nothing but an economic activity. Okay, economic activity, the definition of economic activity, that means any activity which is run for earning profit is known as economic activity. So project is an activity on which we spend money in expectation of return, which lend itself to planning, financing and implementation as a unit is known as project. Okay, so first of all, this project is an activity on which we spend money in expectation of return, that we call as a project. Okay, also this project is refers to specific activity with specific starting point and specific end point to achieve a specific objective. This activity is known as project. Okay, so basically this project, it is a specific activity with specific starting point and specific end point to achieve a specific objective is known as project. Okay, so these projects are cutting edges of development, that means they are meant for increasing output from given resources. Okay, so this is the definition of project. After definition of project, next one, types of agricultural project. So there are major 4 types of agricultural project. In that first one, that is water resource development project, then agricultural credit project, third one, that is agricultural development project, and fourth one, that is agro industry and economic development agricultural project. Okay, we study in detail about these different types of project one by one. In that first type of project, that is water resource development project. Okay, so this water resource development project are aimed at bringing about all over development by bringing to the project area, providing drainage, reclaiming soil salinity, then suitability of soil to sustain production over a time under irrigation must be carefully examined. Okay, so these water resource development projects are included irrigation projects, groundwater project for land reclamation, then drainage project, salinity prevention and flood control project. These projects are aimed at bringing overall agricultural development by bringing water to the project area, providing drainage and reclamation soil salinity. Okay, also suitability of soil to sustain the production over a longer period of time under irrigation must be carefully examined. Okay, so this is the first type of agricultural project, that is water resource development project. This water resource development project are included different minor projects. In that first one, that is irrigation project, second one is groundwater project, third one drainage project, fourth one, that is flood control project, and last one, that is salinity prevention project. Okay, this is the first type of agricultural project, that is water resource development project. After water resource development project, second type of project, that is agricultural credit project. Okay, so this agricultural credit project are also called as on lending project, and these projects provide credit to the farmer for farm investment, for increasing agricultural production, raising their standard of living and economy as a whole. Okay, so basically these agricultural credit projects are provided different types of credit to the farmer for farm investment or conducting different agricultural operation on their farm, and ultimately due to getting the proper credit facilities, the farmer can increase their agricultural production and ultimately increase their standard of living and also ultimately increase the economy as a whole. Okay, these projects need to be defined in terms of farm investment and investment in agro industries and other than agricultural industries, such as investment programs on livestock machinery, etc. Okay, that means these projects are also defined in terms of farm investment and investment in agro industry. That means whatever the agricultural finance that provided to the farm investment, that is development of farm, and second one is establishment of agro based industries. Okay, also all these financial institutions, that is commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional rural bank, should act as a credit house in implementation of all these investment activity. Okay, so for providing different types of credit in agriculture, the different banking institution like commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional rural bank are act as a credit house. That means source of credit in implementation of different investment activities. Okay, so the end use of credit on these investment program need to be evaluated to assess the benefit that accrue to the beneficiary. So these all financial institutions all help in these all investment activities. Okay, this is the second type of agricultural project, that is agricultural credit project. After agricultural credit project, next type of project, that is agriculture development project. Okay, so these agricultural development projects are aimed at improving farm economy of an individual and regional development. Okay, so main aim of this agricultural development project is to improve farm economy of an individual and regional development. Okay, this agricultural development, the diversified cropping system approaches as well as farming system approaches are followed for bringing about development in agriculture. Okay, so different cropping system as well as different farming systems are followed for development of agriculture. Okay, this is the third type of agricultural project, that is agricultural development project. Okay, next type of agricultural project, that is agro industry and commercial development project. So agro based industry, already we studied this agro based industry, that is the industries which are located or totally depend on raw material which was taken from agricultural sector. Okay, so these projects are considered, that is different categories are considered under such type of project, that is input supply project. That means these industries provide all types of inputs which are needed for agricultural sector, like pesticide, fertilizers, seeds, water, irrigation water, material, etc. Okay, after that, next second one, that is service to the farmer. That means repairing service, Krishi Seva Kendra or agricultural service centers. These are coming under this service farming. Then project concerned with processing. So under processing, different processing, that is food processing and non-food processing are also included under this. Then storage, so different types of storage, that is warehousing, cold storage are included under this structure. Then market development, under market development, different market information, market intelligence, different marketing chains are also included. Then project for fisheries development for improve the economic conditions of fishermen, and last one, that is project for development of cooperative farming. Okay, so these are the different projects which are included under agro industries and commercial development project. Okay, so these are the different types of agricultural project. Question may be asked on this topic, like define project and explain different types of agricultural project. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture, that is agricultural project, meaning and types of agricultural project. Okay, thank you all.